If you look here in the bottom left side of our screen near the toolbar and with all the tools, below the colors, we have different draw modes. These draw modes include draw normal, draw behind, and draw inside. Draw normal basically means any new shape we draw will be placed on top of previous layers. So if I go to my layers panel, it will be at the very top. If I had, deselect my circle by clicking outside. If I have my draw behind selected and I draw a circle, it will be placed behind every single other layer. So if I scroll down, it will be this one at the very bottom. Just gonna delete these two circles. Now draw inside is slightly different. So if I have this layer selected and double click on it, you can see that I have this shape here. This shape is only visible while it is inside of the original shape. So as I move it, it is clipped or cut by that larger shape. So to recreate this, all I have to do is, if I had a, let's say, a circle shape, I'm just gonna make this black because for some reason it's created a gradient. If I have this shape selected and I deselect it, sorry, I click it again and I click on draw inside, and I go back to a circle tool, for example, and I double click this to change my color to something different, and I click and drag a circle, you can see I can create this shape. If I release it, it will then be cut off by this original first black circle shape or lisp shape. This basically acts as something like a cutter or cookie cutter, where anything that's within its area will be visible and anything outside of it will be cut off or removed. So this allows you to create some interesting effects without having to sort of make sure my lines sort of fit within the other shape, but also allows me to easily move it around and make adjustments if necessary. Similar to what is done here with the coffee.